When you try to loosen the bolt, you might find the head is already stripped or damaged. In this case, we can use a flathead screwdriver and a hammer to get it out. Place the tip of the screwdriver against the edge of the bolt head at this position. Hit the end of the screwdriver with your hammer until it carves out a visible groove or a notch. Now, seat the screwdriver into that new notch and strike it firmly in a counterclockwise direction. There we go. It's starting to loosen up now. To sum up, just use the screwdriver to create a slot. Then drive the bolt out by hitting it at an angle.